super awesome day. Choo Choo Soul is here. We have to see Choo Choo Soul, right? And the characters out today are Big Bird, Elmo, Bert, Ernie, Cookie Monster, and Telly Monster. Right, is it episode 18? Are you ready to have some fun today? Yes, you are. Yes, that's the number. Oh my goodness. Remember when she used to do the board here? And they changed it. But she used to like come up and do the board. Oh my gosh, Iz! You're all excited today, huh? You wanna go have some fun? Now it is supposed to rain today. You can see it's dark up there. I don't think it's gonna be thunder and lightning. It's Sunday. We were gonna come yesterday, but there was a lot of rain, a lot of thunder and lightning. And that's what we avoid. Right, Iz?
I got you.
All right, here we go. Down the street right here. I see Cookie Monster out. I don't know if his line's cut off. I don't think any other characters are out right now. Oh yeah, there's a line down there for Big Bird too. Oh boy, there's characters out. Now Choo Choo Soul is in 1 hour, so we're gonna watch that. You gonna give him a hug? I know, Big Bird's out across the street, but who are you seeing now? Telly Monster? Yeah. Let me get a picture of you. I didn't have my camera ready. Hold on 1 second, I'm calling you somebody else. Okay, ready? I'm gonna take a picture. Oh, let me get my photo on here. And what? All right. Thank you, Telly. All right, peekaboo. You doing peekaboo? Thank you. Right, is Paige. I'm calling her. Who's that? It's Big Bird. Oh my gosh. All right, ready? I'm gonna take a picture. Ready? Go ahead, go see Big Bird. Don't forget Big Bird is. Come on. Go see Big Bird. There you go. And it, why you do that every time? She does it every time. That's, all right. Is Big Bird's over there? She's being crazy. All right, and oh my gosh, you gonna do what she does to peekaboo. Here it is. Let's see it. Ready? All right. Thank you so much, Big Bird. It was so nice to see you. Scram, and she got scram. Bye-bye. All right, we are going into the Camouflage Castle. Oh, yes, it's a little chilly now. It warmed up a little bit. Maybe like 1 degree. I'm like tiptoeing in here. Oh my goodness, this water is cold. Oh, and she's ready to splash me again. Oh no. I'm gonna back up now. Oh, it's a little cold, Iz. A little Liz, she wasn't. Ah! I'm not ready for that, Iz. I need to get used to it. You can go. Go ahead, Iz. Now the bucket just went off, so we got a little bit before that comes again, right, Iz? Oh my gosh, no! Oh, look at all the water. Oh my gosh. There's so much to do. Why splash my? Oh, all right, I'm leaving. I'm done. I'm all done. She says bye-bye. Aw, man, that's not funny. That's not fair. No, Izzy! What happened? The slides are open. The slides are open. Kenny said the slides are open. You want to go get down the slide? Look, now she's getting more happy. Oh, man, you know I'm going to have to go down, don't you? I have to go down. All right, here I go. These buckets are going to fall. Oh, my gosh. I think I want to wait, but just got to go before this one gets me. Oh! Woo! Ah! Oh, my gosh. Oh! Wow, that is cold. I'm running up. Oh, I got it right in my eye. Walking all over the place now. Now Izzy was headed, there she is, headed for the slide. I wanted to get her going down the slide because get it on video. Oh, excuse me. Hold on, Iz. Here we go. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Woo! Yeah! I want to make sure she goes. Oh my gosh, ready? Oh my god, it's cold. Whoa. Oh, yes, it's cold. So much fun though. Oh my god, they're gonna get right out. Whoa. Oh wow. That was a good splash, right? Alright, here she comes. I'm waiting for it. I told her to bathe down this time. Where you at, Iz? Did you get stuck up there? There she comes. Whoa! Woohoo! I got it. Oh my gosh, there it goes. We just missed that. If I was over here, I would have got wet. The cow's bucket. Did you see the cow's bucket go off? Oh my goodness. I got my glasses on.
I got that.
You got it? There she comes behind me. All right. All right, let's see if we can beat her down. Woo, she's going down too, the green one. I'm going back down the yellow one. She didn't do the green one yet, so. Woo! Let's go, Liz! I got you, Iz, coming down. All right, here we go, down the tunnel. Ready? Oh, yeah, woo! Oh, I hear the bucket. Whoa. Hit it! Whoa, what time is that? Here comes Izzy running through. And I knew you were going to do that. Izzy, go up there. The bucket's going to go. Let's see if she gets the bucket. He's still right behind her here. Oh, no, we're missing that bucket. Oh, you going to fill it up, Iz? Woo! I'm getting wet everywhere. The bucket's going to go on me. Oh, my goodness. I don't know, that one's gonna go. Oh, I'm getting out of here. Whoa, there it goes. Whoa. This is testing this camera out because it says waterproof. It's working and going good for now. Oh my goodness. Oh, that bucket, I'm waiting for that bucket to get me. I think it's gonna go soon too.
It's about me.
Oh my goodness. I'm at the top. This is as high as you can walk up here. Oh wow, look at that. And then, oh, does this flip over? Oh, whoa! Oh my gosh! Woo, yeah! Oh yeah, I remember pulling the plug on this one. Ready? And they come out different ways. There it goes! Izzy went. There it goes, Iz! The bucket! Hit it! Ha-ha! The water is a bit cold, so Paige is sitting there eating snacks, and Choo Choo Soul will be starting in about 45 minutes. So I'm going to dry off and get ready to head over there so we can get a good spot. We are back in the Count/Splash Castle now. We just watched Choo Choo Soul, and DC from Choo Choo Soul said he's going to come out here and let the Count/Splash bucket dump right on his head. So that's what I'm waiting for. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, that's what you don't want to do.
Oh, Izzy's coming.
He's coming. Oh my God, Izzy. Izzy, look who's coming. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, look, who is it? Who's that? He's coming in here. He's going to go get... We're waiting for him. Let's wait for him. Here he comes. You see him? A, B, C, yeah. You were sitting at the car yesterday. Here he comes. He's coming in.
He's coming.
You want to see him? Oh my goodness.
We should get him down.
Yes. Now this bucket just went off. So it's going to be a few minutes before. Uh-oh, here he comes. He's coming. Oh, he's got a little umbrella. Look, Iz, who is that? He's coming in. He's gonna go get. Yeah, look. Yeah. Look who's that is. Yeah.
We're gonna wait for the next one. It's gonna be fun.
Come on in. Oh my gosh, somebody else is coming in too. Oh, they're braving it. Oh, Izzy, yeah, Izzy, better stand up.
This area is like where it's like
You should get in. You should get in here.
Oh my gosh. Iz.
You should get in here.
Stand up. There you go, buddy. You ready, Iz? Oh my goodness. This is going to be so fun.
You should get in.
Feels good. All right. gonna be my grouping. Everybody coming this way.
Come on.
We're staying like a little group right here. Come on, come on.
Oh, it's filming. She's like, no.
This is totally gonna keep me dry. It will. It will. People make bad choices. I love it. Let's go. Really a bad choice. We have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
Get it?
Oh my gosh.
2 more minutes. Good, you rolling? Yeah, just go ahead. Pressure. You're good. All right, good.
Whoa. He almost got me. That was a close one.
When you hear counts, class, you go, I want everyone to go, I love Sesame Place! All right. Closer.
You keep getting.
Get over here, guys. Get over here.
Izzy! You gonna get it? You want it?
She's killing me.
I'm braving it in here.
Come on, guys, come on.
Uh-oh! Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Totally dry! I want everybody to look at my camera on the count of 3 times. Let's Sesame Place. 1, 2, 3. I love Sesame Place!
All right. All right, yes.
I know, what am I going to show you? What am I going to do?
Oh my gosh. Ruthie's cooled off. Oh, she went the other way. She's like, go ready to go down the slide. That was fun. That was so much fun. There goes Izzy waiting up there in line. I'm telling her Big Bird's Burgers and Bites. I think she wants to go down one more time and then go to Big Bird's Burger and Bites. We are starving. I just saw her get on here. Let's see. Where's she at? I just saw her. Hey, oh my God, Iz! What did you do? You're supposed to sit up. Don't want to come down that way again, okay? Jeez! Did you flip around? Well, that was super fun. That was worth going back into Splash Castle and see DC get wet. So we're going to go get some to eat at Big Bird's Burger and Bites now. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do after. Okay, Iz, what'd you get? Chicken tenders. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And Paige got chicken nuggets. All right, we are ready to sit down and eat. I know, French fries. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do after we eat, right? See any other characters out. Now, we're not going to see the parade today because the parade is getting ready to start in about 10 minutes. But we are really, really hungry. So next time we come, we'll watch it. All right, we got done eating at Big Bird's Burger and Bites. Ooh, and then it started raining. Yes, let me see you in your cool glasses. There you go. You look cool. She's like, yeah. All right, so yeah, it's still drizzling out here. Now, we did hear the parade, so that already went by. But we were really hungry, so we ate. There's like nobody in there because of that. But I'm not sure what we're going to do next. It is around 3:30. The next character does not come out until 4. I'm thinking that we're going to go get changed or something. I don't know. We'll see. We're taking a walk around here now. We are freezing. Look at Paige. Oh my gosh. She's like bent over. It is really cold. Look at Izzy. She got goosebumps. And she's leaving. Izzy's like, I don't know if I want to do it anymore. Oh my gosh. I know, Iz. But before you know it, it's going to be really, really hot out here. And then we're going to be like, remember that day? We would like to have one of those cool breezes come through. I'm looking around. There's like nobody in line anywhere. Oh my gosh. There's like maybe 1, 2 kids getting on here. A couple people up there. Yeah, it's a bit cold. I'm wondering what we should do. Oh my gosh, we're freezing. It was cold in the Big Bird's Burger and Bites, but not really that cold. Now I'm freezing. Oh my gosh. I think we might have to call it a day. That's what Paige was just saying, because it's cold, windy, and raining. But a good thing that we got to eat something. We were starving. Oh my gosh. Even if we get changed, it's raining right now. If we get changed, we're still gonna get wet. Except for you, and Paige didn't even get in the water and she's freezing. Oh my gosh. Is he cold? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Well, let's figure out if we're gonna go out of here or what we're gonna do, because it's supposed to rain and it's gonna get worse. But I know I'm gonna look at the weather too. So we're gonna come out here and then we're gonna figure it out.
Did you hear the speaker?
So we decided to leave Sesame Place. They're open for another hour, but it's gonna get heavier, the rain, and we are freezing right now. But we had a super awesome day, and it was so much fun to watch Choo Choo Soul. They come once a year, and we were in the water with DC. How awesome was that? I wanted to do another water ride when we come out, but it's just too cold. I mean, in about a month, those lines are gonna be long highs. So we're gonna head out of Sesame Place, and we had a super, super awesome day. And say, we will see you next time, Sesame Place. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. You know you want to say bye. Get your glass. Bye-bye. Okay.